What about a cake which has all the taste and the looks of an Indian mithai? A rasmalai, rabdi, a malai roll, a malai cut, everything rolled into one, but it happens to be a cake. Yes, my dear friends, we will make a mithai cake with even which is similar to an Indian mithai and will be loved by one and all. So let's make this easy cake. We'll make for making the rabdi or rasmalai cake. First, this is a totally veg cake. There are no eggs in it. So we'll start by, this is 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, any flavorless oil. Light oil, corn oil is best, any oil will do. So we'll start by whisking this. One-third cup of homemade dahi. We'll add that. This half cup of powdered sugar, which I powdered at home. So this I'll add bit by bit, so that it does not fly all over the place. Now all of this is very properly mixed, oil, sugar and curd. Now we'll sieve in the rest of the ingredients. This is 1 cup of maida. This is gluten-free maida. You can use normal maida in its place. The measurements won't change even for normal maida. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon baking soda. Sieve it in. We'll start adding the milk. This is 120 ml milk. So this is the final product, a very smooth batter and flowy consistency. So we'll transfer this into a bowl, baking dish. We'll bake it in this so that we can pour the rasmalai syrup or the rabdi syrup on this itself and set it in the fridge in this container itself. Now into this we could have added vanilla essence, or this is freshly pounded cardamom powder. So we'll just add this and mix it well so that the cake itself gets a traditional flavor. Bake it at 175 to 180 degrees for 25. After 20 minutes you keep on checking because this is a very thin cake. Now meanwhile, while the cake is baking, I'll keep 1 liter of full cream milk to boil and to reduce to make the rabdi. Any kind of milk what comes in your home you can use. I'm keeping this, and once this begins to boil or just about to boil, I'll reduce the flame and add the sugar. I have reduced the flame now and I'll add about 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then let it reduce on very low flame. We'll take a bit out of this hot milk and we'll add saffron strands if you have.
Now this has reduced further and this has become almost 1/4 of it, of the original quantity, less than half that is. So I'll add, this is freshly ground elaichi powder. So I'll just add this and mix it and switch it off so that it cools down a little. Cooled quite a bit and almost left the sides as well. So with a fork we will just now this rubbery has cooled down a bit. We'll pour this all over the cake. This will be like a hot milk cake, just that this is the Indian version, maybe, like that we can say.
Now this is how it has come out of the refrigerator. We'll cut it and serve it.
You know.
So here is finally a Mithai cake which has all the flavors and the decoration of a mithai, but it turns out that it is a cake, which yes, it tastes more like a rabdi drenched cake. So this is a very unique and different recipe. Will be loved by all those who love mithais, and I don't know, I don't think that there would be anyone who does not love Indian mithais. So this has to be served to all those people who are guests at any of your events, and they will love you for this, for serving this. So please do try out this easy recipe. You have seen how easy it is. It is just the reducing the milk part which will take some time. Otherwise this will be ready in a jiffy. So do try out, and you can add your own ingredients or your own rose water, kevda gel and all to this to give it a further uniqueness to it. And do serve this to your friends and family on special occasions. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe to Gluten Free India for more recipes. Thank you.